Where's my Lily?
I see you. What? What? Casey's cake. Casey's cake. Throw the ball.
Uh-oh.
Woo! Good throw. Oh. Is that Dora? My Dora. My Dora. Uh-oh. Is that your cell phone? Yeah? Yeah?
Go.
Go. There you go.
There. There.
You got it?
And Lily go.
Lily go? Like this.
She's saying, where did Lily go? Because every single phone that she ever sees has pictures of her on.
Oh.
So she wants to know, where did Lily go?
Look, we'll find Lily. I know where Lily is. There's Lily. Look at Lily.
Oh, it's so sweet.
Look at. There's. Who's that?
And Mommy.
That's me. That's not Mommy. Who's that?
Lily.
Lily.
And this.
That's a coffee mug.
A lucky fit.
Look. Go like this. Let go. Go this way.
Do you see Lily? Do you see
Yeah.
pictures of Lily?
Yeah.
Yeah.
On Casey's phone? There's Lily? See how she knows how to...
Yeah.
This kid is smart.
Mm-hmm. Go the other way. Go that way. There. Who's that?
Lily.
Lily. Who's that?
No further. I said,
Oh, that was a really